In this tip, we'll see how to specify directory permissions using the mkdir command. Usually, you'll create a directory and then use chmod command to change the permissions. So for example, mkdir, and let's say my directory name is backup. You can check the current permissions using the stat command. So lowercase a will give the numbers and uppercase a will give the permissions in terms of RWX. So you can see the default is 775 for me, and in terms of RWX it is user has all the permissions, group has all the permissions, and others have only read and execute permission. So if you want to change this value, you can use the chmod command. So let's say I want to change it to 750, and let's check the updated permissions. So user has all the permissions, group has read and execute, and others do not have any permission. So instead of creating the directory using mkdir and then using the chmod command, you can combine these two by using the -m option. So let me remove this directory first. And now when I use mkdir command, I can use -m and pass the same syntax you used with chmod. So if I am using numbers, I can specify 750 and then my directory name. Let's use stat to verify this. So you can see a new directory has been created by using 750 as the permission. Let us see a couple of more examples. You can use the same syntax that you use with chmod. So I can do something like this, mkdir equal to rx. So this means all three permissions will have only read and execute permissions. So let's say dummy directory and stat command. So you can see this is equivalent to specifying 555. And here's one more example. I'm going to leave user permission to default and group and others. I'll subtract read, write, execute. And let's use stat. So user gets 7 by default, which is read, write, and execute. For group and others, we are subtracting all three permissions. Thus you get 700. Hope you enjoyed this tip.